and as you said, it's a lifestyle.
Because once you get hooked to it, honestly, I'm telling you this myself. Yeah, once you get hooked to it, it's like, you know.
You can see it.
No, it's true though. Like once you do get, it's like it's
that switch.
Yeah, and it's also scientific as well that endorphins are such a hormone that are within you, that are produced when you exercise, and that makes you happy and makes you feel.
Look how happy Ali.
You know, no caffeine, as you know, no coffee.
I still need.
Which I refuse to give to Nazish as well. Nazish could be. I'm going to make her give her a lecture about caffeine. No caffeine for her.
Caffeine has its place.
It has
but seldom.
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 Itna chai mat piyo.
But you know what is good is that you give that support to, besides just personal training, you're giving the nutrition and
that's
what
very
to
good.
eat, because I think हमारे खानों में जो घी
बिल्कुल
deep fry वो सारा है ना उसी में मारे जाते हैं.
I think slowly and steadily अब लोग कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि थोड़ा at least खाने में करें कुछ.
Well, especially the day-to-day khana, right? I mean, the party khana is a totally different
party khana,
thing, right? But like when my mom cooks, I mean, there's no reason to do all the tadka and the frying and all this and that, because you know, as long as everything is cooked, our flavors are so, you know,
they're so rich anyway.
They're so rich as it is, that whether there's oil or not, you don't really taste that freshness anyway.
But I have noticed कि अब आहिस्ता आहिस्ता सारी माएँ भी जो है and सब अपने बच्चों के लिए they're putting less ghee, less, you know, tadkas and frying.
We're not in the keto anymore, so we don't need it. And I think people are starting to realize that, you know, as they get older to that kind of critical age threshold, diabetes, heart disease, all that sort of stuff, it's very dominant in our culture. And if you don't kind of make the change early on, then you get stuck later.
And then there's the other extreme जो लोग कहते हैं कि ये भी ना खाओ, कुछ भी ना खाओ, ऐसा भी नहीं है. ऐसा तो डरने की बात नहीं है. I know उससे लोग डर जाते हैं कि यार वो डाइट करनी पड़ेगी, तो that means सब कुछ carbs छोड़ने पड़ेंगे, सब कुछ छोड़ने. भाई carbs is an important part of.
Carbs are fantastic.
You know, उसके बगैर muscle build नहीं होगा.
And that misconception is always there. Like I'm like, oh, people are like, so are we just going to take all the carbs in my diet? I was like, how are you going to get the energy then if you take all the carbs out to fuel those workouts, to rebuild the muscle?
There you go. So there's a Urdu word which is very apt for this, which is called Mayana Ravi, which is balance. हर चीज जो है उसको मैना रवि में करना चाहिए, यानी कि you know ज़्यादा कम नहीं, ज़्यादा नहीं, you know.
And on that point, we're gonna have Sonia coming back every now and then.
Yes.
She's gonna give us tips.
ताकि वो हमें भी सबको मैना रवि.
Things to check just a little.
बिल्कुल, और हमें actually exercises भी दिखाएंगी and workouts भी दिखाएंगी. So that would be
Oh my goodness. He's doing something. All right, we're squatting. Are we squatting?
What are we gonna do? Okay.
You tell me. You're the marathon man.
क्या करेंगे?
You tell me.
मैं भी इस बात कभी मतलब वापस नहीं आऊँगा.
Tell me. I'll keep up with you.
तो इसी बात पे, by the way, इसी बात पे एक बड़ी important मजे की बात है.
अच्छा.
क्या भला? Have you ever heard? Okay. Have you ever heard of a sitar player running a marathon?
Absolutely. One of a kind.
तो हमारे पास शायद ही किसी ने ऐसा देखा होगा.
बिल्कुल.
हमारे पास एक ऐसे marathon running sitar player है.
With the sitar in hand,
With sitar के साथ.
Just that extra little lift up there.
ताकि जो आखिरी लोग finish line उनको सितार मार के कि मैं cross कर रहा हूँ फिर. अच्छा.
आप भी तो बताएं.
Anwar bhai, I want to know.
Yes.
कि what marathon did you do? What was the distance and when did you do it?
My first was actually a half marathon in Toronto. Then I did the Toronto Marathon. Then I did the Boston Marathon.
Oh, great.
For which you have to qualify.
Yes.
Wow,
And I did qualify.
क्या qualification होती है उसकी? कितना?
It depends on आपकी
race time
age और हाँ उसके हिसाब से timing होता है. तो मुझे 4 घंटे से पहले कम में करनी थी. तो मैंने 4 घंटे से कम में
full marathon
पूरी मैराथन की.
वाह, that is a big feat by the way.
That is great.
That is a big feat.
That's amazing.
बॉस्टन में भी मैंने 4 घंटे से पहले.
Oh wow, the Boston one is tough. वो तो world around है. The Boston one is.
I'm getting inspired now.
Yes. So yeah. So with Anwar Saab, I also believe in it.
Yeah.
It is a great thing. I've done this Scotiabank
Very nice.
full marathon.
Yeah.
And I've done the Toronto Island Triathlon.
Nice.
And I did the Tough Mudder.
Oh,
really?
Which is also an interesting one. The Tough Mudder is
amazing.
17 kilometers.
Yeah.
With 26 obstacles designed by the British Special Forces.
Oh, you're kidding? Seriously?
So
that's my personal goal for this year.
I think that you'll do it in
We'll
a
do
cinch.
a little Get Fit with Sonia team.
Yes.
Come on.
No problem.
Let's
Done.
Good.
Let's do it.
We're bringing Nazish.
Nazish is in already.
Maybe not in this getup.
Not in
we're
this.
Bringing Nazish along.
I do a marathon all the time. I have 2 little kids. You try chasing them. It's
That's true. That's true. Don't.
You trump both.
Don't be fooled by the सलवार कमीज. ऐसी बात नहीं है.
She's hardcore.
नाजिश सलवार कमीज में ही भागेंगे आप बता दूं आपको.
And the chappal.
And the heels के साथ.
मैं अभी बड़ी मैराथन करती हूँ.
जैसे कि अनवर भाई सितार के साथ भागे थे. You know. But I love the sneakers, by the way. I also have to say.
All credit goes to my husband.
Very cool.
All credit goes to my husband. He was like, those are trainer shoes right there.
देखिए इससे एक और बड़ी इंटरेस्टिंग बात इससे भी निकलती है कि आप अपनी वाइफ और हस्बैंड जो है सपोर्ट ईच अदर.
हाँ बिल्कुल.
समटाइम्स आइडिया बेशक थोड़ा आउटलैंडिश हो, थोड़ा अजीब लगे आपको पहली दफा.
You know, following your passion is the way.
बिल्कुल. क्या उससे आप लोगों की मैरिज में भी खुशहाली रहेगी.
हाँ बिल्कुल.
एंड
और
यू नो एंड आपकी शादी की मैराथन भी चलती रहेगी hopefully, right?
Because it is a marathon.
It is, isn't it?
It gets ugly sometimes.
Yeah.
Sometimes
It
you
feels
got to
good
train hard.
sometimes.
Exactly.
You got to train hard.
You got to train hard.
And then in the end, you beat them with a sitar and everybody's happy.
You know, that's about it.
Yeah.
No, thank you so much, Sonia, for coming
Thank you.
and giving us, and we look forward to tips to
Yes.
follow over the weeks.
I will come
in the
ready
show.
to
It's gonna
share
be
my
great.
secrets.
Yes.
Absolutely.
So hope Sonia. So everybody, I hope आप लोग सब you all will get fit with Sonia.
Yes.
And you'll see her on One
Inspired.
Central,
Yes, absolutely.
right? And I think there's some info that you should give to people.
Yes, absolutely. So I am at Get Fit with Sonia on Facebook. We've got some fun tips and tricks, motivational stuff in the morning to get you kind of up and running, and some really healthy recipes, as well as weekly workouts. So check me out on Facebook. And also my website and blog is www.getfitwithsonia.com.
Okay. So unfortunately, अब वो वक्त आ चुका है कि we have to say goodbye.
Yes.
And
It was a
Tata
fun show.
and Khuda Hafiz.
Yes.
It was a fun show.
It was a fun show. I hope
Yeah.
you enjoyed it as much as we did.
We honestly really had a lot of fun here.
did. We
It's
did.
really is like a family here at One Central. And
Hope you will tune in next week, same time, same place.
we'll see you on the same channel, same place, One Central.
Absolutely.
With Nazish and Ali. And we're going to have Get Fit with Sonia segments.
And she's not going to leave us until we're a little fitter.
Right? I think we're going to do some of that stuff.
I'm in this for the long haul.
We're going to put down the samosas.
Done.
Put down the samosa.
And we're going to get the gears grinding.
Absolutely.
And we have, of course, the musical stylings and the lovely jazzy blues sitar beats of
So let's
Anwar
hear some great
Khurshid.
music from Anwar Saab. और फिर हम जरा
है ना?
अपने मोड़ में-
Anwar Saab,
हाँ.
take
Go
us
ahead.
away. Okay. All right. So I think it's time.
If it's time,
All right,
it's time.
it's time.
He said he was going to show me his squats.
All right, let's do it.
All right,
Let's do it.
Let's do this.
We're ready.
We're gonna
Nazish is going to join
push
us.
the butt back. Let's go down
Okay.
nice and low.
All right.
All right.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you all for watching. This was
Up and down.
One Central with Nazish and Ali.
Thank you for
And
watching.
we have Anwar Khurshid with his awesome sitar beats. We have Getting Fit with Sonia.
And we had Shazia Khan.
We have
with
Shazia
the
Khan.
Naseeb wedding show, which hopefully we'll see you there tomorrow.
And we had Amir Gill from National Bank.
Yes.
Right?
And
Neelam.
with the fantastic makeup and extension eyelashes.
Great. All right. So hope you all tune in next week. You take care. And Khuda Hafiz. We will see you soon.
Thanks for watching.